Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Before you can use the payroll features of QuickBooks, you must set up payroll for your company in QuickBooks. To find out how to do this, select Employees, Payroll, turn on Payroll in QuickBooks from the menu bar. In the window that appears, you can evaluate the payroll plans and purchase a payroll plan through QuickBooks to begin setup of your initial payroll data. After you have purchased a payroll plan, you can set up basic payroll information by selecting Employees, Payroll Setup from the menu bar. Then use the QuickBooks Payroll Setup wizard to input the information that QuickBooks will need to know to begin processing payroll for your company file. QuickBooks uses tax tables that come with your payroll subscription to calculate employee payroll. QuickBooks calculates each employee's gross pay, taxes, deductions, and net pay. In QuickBooks, you can write the paycheck, record the transactions for the correct accounts, print payroll forms, and keep track of your tax liabilities. As an employer, you must subtract taxes and other deductions before issuing employee paychecks. Some typical paycheck deductions are federal and state withholding taxes, or income taxes, Social Security taxes, or FICA, Medicare taxes, and state unemployment insurance. You may also deduct for benefits, like a 401k plan or contributions to your company's medical or dental plan. When you withhold Social Security, Medicare, and federal withholding taxes from employee paychecks, you must submit regular deposits of the withheld money and file quarterly forms that list the amounts withheld from each employee paycheck. We will now discuss an overview of the payroll process and the steps you must complete to do payroll in QuickBooks. First, you must enter information about your company. This includes information about your federal and state tax ID numbers. This information is entered when you set up your QuickBooks company. But to view company information, you can also select Company, My Company from the menu bar. You will also need to enter information about your employees. The QuickBooks Employees list stores general information about the employees and specific information related to payroll, such as the employee's salary or hourly rate, filing status, number of exemptions and miscellaneous additions, deductions, and company contributions. You can store payroll information that most employees have in common within Employee Defaults. Then, whenever you have a new employee to add, you simply enter information that's specific to that employee, like their name, address, and so on. You also need to enter information about your payroll items. QuickBooks maintains a payroll item list that contains items that affect the amounts on a paycheck, including company payroll expenses. When you specify you want to use payroll, QuickBooks creates most of the payroll items for you, but you can also add others if needed. You also need your tax tables for federal, state, and local withholdings. QuickBooks uses these tax tables for its payroll calculations. You get the current tax tables and keep them current when you subscribe to one of the QuickBooks payroll plans. If you choose not to subscribe to one of these plans, you must calculate and enter payroll tax deductions manually for each paycheck.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.